guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Mixtiles. Now if you guys don't know what Mixtiles are, they are a company that caters to getting you prints of pictures that you send to them, and you can have it in canvas style or in little frames. So today we are going to get right into it. I ordered about 16 canvas style portraits because I'm working in a beauty room, which we'll get into later. That's where I am now, but I'm trying to get a whole vibe going. So I decided to order about 16 frames, and it's here. It just came today, and I'm excited to open it up so that we can see what we're working with. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Really cool box. Pink is the favorite color, so they're already winning. It's not too heavy, so it's about maybe like 3 pounds or 4 pounds, but it fairly came really fast. I ordered this about less than a week, so it came really fast. Today is Tuesday, the 8th. I don't know my days anymore. So it was supposed to come a week from now. So I'm very happy that they got it to us. So shout out to Mixtiles. Y'all did that. So it comes really packaged well. Off the bat, I can see that the pictures look really good. So I'm excited. It comes with this little pack here where it kind of tells you how to hang them up. Hanging Mixtiles is a breeze. You peel the protective paper off, the adhesive, and then you place it on a flat surface and press firmly. And that's it. It's super easy. You don't need any tools. You don't need any hammers or any sticky stuff. So it just tells you right here what to do. Alright, so let's get into it. So it looks like they've sectioned it off for a piece. Ooh, looks great. So this is the first 4. And guys, I love it. The quality looks amazing. It looks just like the picture. All 4 of these were professional pictures by my photographer. Shout out to Nab. I'll put his info in there, so So yeah, they look great. I love it. Let's take a look at this. So these are the canvas style. It's really light. It's not too heavy at all, as you can see. And behind it has the adhesive that you can just pull right off. Pretty sticky, and it doesn't look like anything that would mess up your walls either, so that's pretty cool. I'm really excited about this, and I can't wait to get it on my walls and show you guys. But these look great. It's pretty much what you get. So on their site, it's like a 3-step process where you would just upload these were all uploaded from my phone. And the only thing I probably would change about Mixtiles is the sizing, because this is 8x8, and I think that they are working on that. I think I saw that somewhere, that they were working on trying to get bigger tile sizes. So I think that would be great if they could work on that. But the fact that I couldn't get all of my legs in this picture it sucks, but I like the fact that it still looks amazing. The quality is great. And let's see the other ones. It's really vibrant, guys. This looks amazing. I'm really pleased with it. Look at that. Bam! Ooh. really wanted this to capture the essence of my like makeup, so I'm really happy that that came out that way. Looks really great, and it goes with the theme that I'm going for, you know, with the greens and the beauty room type stuff. So that's really good. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. You know, they did that. Okay. Oh, look at that. Yes. I love this picture. Shout out to the photographer who took it. Info in the description box. So yeah, I love these. I love it. Definitely really beautiful. Alright guys, so that is all. Nothing really much more to say except that Mixtiles, amazing. I will definitely put their website in the description box, so if you guys are looking to you know, get some canvases for your room or even the living room or, you know, your house, definitely go to their site. It's really affordable as well. I think each one is like 11 bucks. I got everything total for like $89, which is like really affordable, instead of having to, because I know I was looking for something like this and I saw that to have like one picture was $49, and granted this was $11, so I'm glad that I came up on Mixtiles. So definitely you guys should check them out. Bomb.com. So I will definitely put all the descriptions below, and you guys should just stay tuned to see how it looked and how I set it up in my room. I'm still going to kind of see how they can all kind of mesh in together, so you guys stay tuned for a part 2. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know if you have any of these Mixtiles and how it works for you, and you know what recommendations that you would give on, you know, how stacking it and things like that. So I will catch you guys later in my next video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post, you guys do see that. And I thank you guys for watching, and have a great one. Alright dolls, so if you're still here, I just want to thank you for sticking around. This little segment here is just me showing you guys how I put the Mixtiles on my wall. Now mind you, if you can see, I did not use any measuring tape, any glues, any hammers or anything like that. I did just kind of eyeball it because that's just how I do. I'm just not really with the measuring. I just like to, you know, do it till it feels right type of thing. So I'm just showing you guys how I put it on the walls, and I just kind of staggered it to begin with so that I can, you know, kind of have a little pattern going on. Something similar to like a staircase look. So yeah, I did need the chair there for a second. I'm kind of short. I'm not that short though, you know. 5'5" is great. Damn! Anyway, back to this. So this is just really self-explanatory. With the sticky adhesive in the back of the canvas, I just slit that off, and then I just kind of measured it with my eyes and just stick them and press it down on the walls. So here you have it. It's not really anything to it. I just love, you know, the little spaces that I'm leaving in between the walls. Kind of gives me a little staggered feel there. So yeah, this is the beauty room that I am working on, and I love these pictures. It's just, it came out so good. Being that they came from my phone, it's so beautiful. So yeah, that is about it, guys. Alright, so let me know in the comments if you guys think that I did do okay without using a measuring tape. I kind of staggered it to my liking, so you know, if you guys are doing it, you could definitely do it your own way, but I definitely like the staircase staggered look. we're pretty much done here. A little smile. Oh, I forgot about this. Well, done. Now guys, it was super easy to hang up the Mixtiles on the walls, but feel free to measure if you guys need to measure. I just kind of, you know, eyeballed it. So yeah, there you have it. Yeah, don't forget guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how you like Mixtiles. Okay? Later, babes.